Hi, this is Jason. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a 2013 Chevy Silverado with the P0121 code again. I'm going to be showing you the fix for this. Please click that like button, subscribe down below. Let's get to the video. So here's the culprit. This is your throttle body. This is for the 121 code only. What you're going to do is, of course, take this air intake off. You're going to disconnect it. Take the two nuts off here and the two bolts out of the bottom, and then this will come off. I already cleaned this one. All you're going to do is open the blade up, clean it with some carburetor cleaner and a rag, and after you're all done, get it nice and shiny. You're going to reinstall it, put all the bolts back on, and plug it back in. And then what you are going to do next is you are going to go into the ECM with the scanner and you're going to reset the idle. This will take care of that P0121 code. If you do not have a scanner, trying to do a hard reset by unplugging the battery will not reset this throttle position sensor. You will have to do a drive cycle on it, and it will just have to learn on its own. But that is the fix for the 121 code. Please, like I said, hope you like this video. Have a good day.